The TrapEAZE technique is a brand new simple four-step treatment for treating upper back pain that's based on 15 years of intensive clinical testing. Its proven non-invasive treatment provides rapid results in less than 4 minutes that patients love. The complete TrapEAZE technique continuing education course consists of 49 videos totaling 11 hours that covers a wide variety of focused topics. Access to the healthcare industry's most complete upper back pain report of findings with care plan is included. Weekly group coaching via Google Meet is available to answer questions, and a supervised live online initial intake examination with treatment is required to earn a completion certificate. This provides quality control to ensure that all TrapEAZE technique practitioners have the requisite skills that's needed to effectively treat their patients. For those practitioners who want to elevate their upper back pain expertise to the next level, certification is available that permits use of the TT designation to be used after one's credentials. Far beyond that, the TrapEAZE technique offers the new gold standard in continuing education courses due to its built-in capacity to increase your patient flow. Since 82.9% of practitioners have told us that they feel that marketing their brand new treatment skills is difficult, clients will access our doctor's dream marketing system. You'll get to log into your practice's own online dashboard software that accurately tracks your upper back pain marketing metrics in close to real time. All of the TrapEAZE techniques' professionally designed marketing materials are customized with your practice's details that'll conveniently ship right to your door. Plus, with tons of extra resources like legal contracts for employees or independent contractors, receptionist training, and an included proprietary NLP practice success course, you'll need to see it all to believe it. Enroll now in our free 45-minute workshop to discover how to provide your patients with the best possible upper back pain care and evolve your practice to the next level.